Hello and welcome to Easy Actually. Today, we're going to show you how easy hair care can be. You'll find all the tips you need to keep your hair healthy and shiny in this video. From identifying your hair type to choosing the right products and washing and styling your hair, we'll cover everything step by step. Let's get started. The first step is to know your hair type. Is your hair dry, oily, or normal? Knowing your hair type will help you choose the right products. Dry hair is usually dull and brittle, oily hair gets greasy and heavy quickly, and normal hair falls somewhere in between. To determine your hair type, pay attention to how your hair looks and feels after washing. Once you've identified your hair type, it's important to choose the right products. You should select shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks that are suitable for your hair type. For example, choose moisturizing products for dry hair and light, balancing products for oily hair. Additionally, using natural products can help protect your hair from chemicals. There are some key points to keep in mind when washing your hair. Avoid washing your hair too frequently, as this can strip your scalp of its natural oils. Washing 2 to 3 times a week is usually sufficient. Always use lukewarm water. Hot water can dry out and damage your hair. Apply shampoo by massaging it into your scalp and rinse thoroughly. Be careful when drying and styling your hair. Use heat protectant sprays to shield your hair from damage. It's best to use a hair dryer on a low heat setting and let your hair dry naturally whenever possible. Be cautious with styling tools. Excessive heat can damage your hair. Be gentle when styling and use wide tooth combs to prevent breakage. To deeply nourish your hair, you can use a hair mask or treatment oil once a week. These products add extra moisture and shine to your hair. Natural oils, especially coconut oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil, can work wonders for your hair. Apply these oils to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends and strengthen your hair. Today, we showed you how easy hair care can be. We hope these tips are helpful and that your hair stays healthy and shiny. Don't forget to subscribe to channel name and like our video. Also, share your hair care questions and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video.